to also appeal to the young people, invite them to join this contest. One more invitation. Yes.
Hello again. So people from all the universities, colleges, all young people, maybe media friends, your son and daughters or your pamangkins. Remember, ang di lang pwede sumali ay first degree relative ng FFCCCII members. Lahat ng second degree and beyond pwede na sumali. So lahat ng young creative talent, influencer, professionals, artists, vlogger, even hindi ka professional, if may oras, try mo lang, malay mo, you can bring home one of the 16 prizes. Thank you.
Thank you.